Oh, it's the morning and I'm going to get started on these battery cages again. So I put the general structure of the two battery cages together last week. Sorry, last time I was back before I flew away to the mines again. And picked up some more parts. So I'm going to use these as the terminals. Maybe not that one. I don't want to put a big hole in the side of this angle iron because it'll basically weaken the structure. So I've got some more flat bar. I'm going to go and pop these things underneath the caravan, use a jack to jack them up into situ, mark where the cross members are so I can put holes, and then I'm probably going to put something going up the side there so that we bolt through the bottom and through the side, at least at either end, so that they can't fall out. Then I'll figure out where to put the hole for this to live. It's got to suit. I haven't even thought. I should have set the batteries in here and tried to figure this out, because this might not fit anywhere. This may need to go above, so it goes in between two of the cross members to protect the wire. That's a good idea, actually. Yep, I'll look at that. Anyway, I've got to go and take the spare wheel off the caravan, and because one of these is going to go where the spare wheel is underneath. So I'll get the spare wheel out of the way. I'll jack both of these up so that they're underneath the caravan. I'll mark one for front and one for back. Right, got my spare tyre under there. Oh, the lens is a bit dirty, isn't it? Let me get that. Whew. She's a big old heavy caravan, this one. So I've got my two battery trays. One's going to go in front under the axles. I've decided these two batteries are going. I had to think about it. I've got a 48 to 12 volt converter. I don't need 12 volt batteries, so these ones are going to go. That'll give me about 40 kilos back on the back. This thing's like 12 or 13 kilos. I'll stick 130 kilos of batteries in it, maybe. So I'll get some of that weight back. Same on the front. There's my spare tyre. I've cracked it because it took 2 hands to do it. I'll lower that down and put these battery cages where I think they're going to go and mark them out for holes. Alright, battery cage number 1. That one looks like, fuck, I've just missed. I might put an extension on the front so we can get a 4th bit to grab onto the cross member in the floor, or actually no, I can go further forward. Yeah, I'll be able to go further forward. So I'll be able to grab 4 cross members with this one. This little winch that I've got for the wheel, hoik that battery box right up where I need it. I'm going to have to cut that thing off though. That can't be there, it'll be in the way of the batteries. The back one. Same thing again. 1, 2, 3. So I'll get 4 cross members. That should be enough for a couple 100 kilos. Well, 150 kilos of weight. Across 4 cross members should be okay. I could secure it to this cross member on the suspension, but I don't think I'm going to bother. That'll be alright. Now I've got to go down the shop, grab myself a marker. I had to get spark plugs for the big old patrol, so I'll do that, grab some gear to mark this off, and come back and get stuck into it.